So these are the new Brothread glow-in-the-dark embroidery and machine thread 8-pack. You can see we've used the purple, the yellow, the pink, and the green. Almost used up the white already and one of the blues. Still got the other white and another blue there to use. And sewed a couple of patches here with the completely with the threads with some black accents. And then some of these have some trim pieces. We'll turn off the light here. These have been in the light, for a little while. You can see they glow pretty good. Some of them glow a little better than others. Some have been in the light longer than others. We can always charge them up with a flashlight real quick. And if they've been in room light for a while, they're going to glow stronger. Like you can tell, a couple of these spools have been out in daylight all day. This patch has been out in daylight all day. This one on the left has been out in daylight. The others I've just been charging up with a flashlight. But it's cool for accent colors like this. And you can see each of the colors glow pretty much green at night, but to different depths of green. So they look pretty cool with the lights on, and they definitely look cool with the lights off. These are the new Brothread 8-pack of glow-in-the-dark embroidery machine threads. I will mention that they do put off some residue, so after about this much use, maybe a couple of spools, I did need to go in and clean out the embroidery machine. There does get to be some residue, so you'll want to have some canned air or some ways to get some compressed air in and blow out all the residue that you'll get from pretty much any glow-in-the-dark threads. Hope this helps.